I don't know what happened there, but we have 2 storms brewing. I know this is not a normal video on my channel, but okay. So, Marco. Do you know who this is? So this is Marco, Tropical Storm Marco. He was a hurricane. So, yeah, let's go down to him. Marco. Yeah, he's gonna just go like right. For some reason, I think he's right here. Looks like he's just gonna go warm. But yeah, he's a tropical storm. He's very weakening from the wind shear and all the dry air that's around him. He can attract a tropical wave on August 16th. Intentionally hindered by its speed and unfavorable conditions in the East Caribbean. In the Eastern Caribbean, the wave began organizing once it reached to the Central Caribbean on August 19th. At 15 o'clock UTC on August 20th, the NHC designated the wave as Tropical Depression 14. Intensification was intentionally slow, but the depression strengthened into a tropical storm Marco at 3 o'clock UTC on August 22nd, becoming the 13th earliest named Atlantic storm, behind the previous records of Maria and Tropical Storm Lee. But Tropical Storm starts with L. Okay. As a result of favorable atmospheric conditions, Marco quickly intensified into a peak of 65 miles per hour, but now he reached hurricane. And pressure of 992 millibars with a characteristic eye beginning to form on radar. As I said, yeah. So yeah, it was a hurricane at one point. Making it the 3rd hurricane of the season. Yeah. Wait, 3rd? We've had so many oh yeah, Hurricane Isaias. I remember Isaias, like being right here and then some rain coming through and then that's one of my videos. But yeah. But this will be the 4th hurricane, I'll tell you. So right now it's gonna go into, as you can see, it's gonna go, so apparently it's up here, but it's gonna go this way, but it looks like it's going this way. So it's kind of questioning, but yeah, it's all a good guy. Let's go Central Atlantic. Where's this? Oh, invest. There's an invest there, nice. It's hard doing this stuff. Just keeping track of storms. But yeah. So it's gonna go in and go through Texas. It's not gonna last. It's gonna last like 3 days or not even. Yeah. Around the Tuesday when Laura hits, he's gonna be probably gone. Depression. Where's this? What? Now I'm confused. No, let's go United States. So we got to the 2 tropical storms here. But let's go here. So, We have some waves over here somewhere, but so both of them are a storm. This will be hurricane. Right now, as of 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hope I got that right. Monday, August 4th. No, August 24th. Yeah, 60 miles per hour winds. And very soon, it will be updated. But Marco will not survive longer. So basically, he started here, turned into Depression 14, and then went up here, and then is now gonna go this way. The only reason why he didn't intensify to like a higher category of a storm is because you can see wind bringing it up this way, and it actually it kind of just see this. It kind of just looks like the wind shear and dry air is just pushing rain off of the storm, bringing it into like all these states and everything. So you know what I mean. But this is all gonna go away when Laura comes in, because she's gonna come right in, hit this. There's like a really hot part of water here that she's gonna engulf, and then she's gonna really rapidly intensify and just crash into Texas and Louisiana. Like I said, if this turns into a major hurricane, most news people are saying it will be her Category 2 hurricane, but if it becomes a Category 3 or higher, then that would be the first major hurricane of this whole season so far. Well, there's already been 13 deaths from Laura. I would like to see what's going to happen in Louisiana. Oh my god. But yeah. I. What do I say about this? I don't know. Because this is kind of bad. We know Isaias was the biggest hurricane. I made a video on that, but remember, we're at Laura and Marco. So if there wasn't wind shear and just like nothing, or no, yeah, wind shear and dry air where Marco was, then he would probably be able to intensify and could have went to a Category 2 or anything. But all that old stuff just he's he's not just gonna he's not gonna intensify. He's rapidly decreasing in speed and everything. So you understand me? Yeah. Yeah, but anyways, Laura will could now all you people that are even watching this video and thinking like, ooh, what's gonna happen to me? Um, the least power you'll get is a Category 2 hurricane to just swipe right through you. Because remember, you you if you were alive in 2005, you've had a lot of people or a lot of storms just hit you, like Hurricane Cindy, um, her tropical. No, you had Hurricane Cindy. Um, Wait. That's almost. Wait. You had Katrina that hit as like a category. That's a 4, so 3. I don't see why it was that. Oh, so, but and then um uh oh, but yeah, you've had bad storms. Now remember, Rita was the last major hurricane to hit you guys. This is category 5, so it hit around category 2 or 3. Because this is 4. No, 5, 4, 3. So, oh yeah, it did hit you as a 3. So, your worst bet is for Laura to turn into a low category 5 hurricane and just go through the Texas and Louisiana border. Not likely, but there's a chance that it might intensify to that. The lowest amount of damage you'll get from it was as a category 2, obviously, but it could there's a chance that it could turn into a category 3 and could be a 4 too. So I just recommend you keep everything like locked up and just stay safe out there, because Laura could be a catastrophic storm here. The path is now determined a little, because she is going under Cuba. And Florida could have been in trouble, but nope, Cuba is in trouble. Because that's what's happening right now. So yeah. Now you can see some rain. It's from Marco. I know, it's a shocker. And Florida and Cuba is actually getting pretty good rain. Well, somewhat. From Laura. Maybe Marco. It, to be honest, be careful. Alright? Be careful out there. Because we have... This is too scary. You know what I mean? I don't know why it is scary, but it is. No? Okay. But yeah. It's getting scary now, guys. It's getting scary for you down in Louisiana and Texas. Because you guys really need to take cover. You guys need to, like, fix everything. The next tropical storm we could have is, Nana. But we're not going to worry about that right now, because Laura is what we're worrying about. Nana and Omar are others we don't have to worry about now. Because they haven't done, they're not forming yet. But I didn't say they were forming. I said they weren't forming yet. Cause we do have some invests to take a look at. Now we have to look for the characteristics first. You understand me? Cause to be honest, we need to see if they would increase. What are you doing here? Making a YouTube video, why is that so hard? Oh my god. I told you this. I'm gonna have to edit that out now. Jesus. Man, just don't come in here when I'm talking about crapping storms. Alright, back to what I was saying. We have Invest 97E and Invest 98E. We have to see the characteristics first, alright? We're not dumb here. We need to see how the storm will form. And even if it's gonna form. Cause this is serious. Wait, let's just check Eastern Pacific. Ooh. Oh. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. What did I do? Oh yeah, you can see this. Marco just let out a giant. So the wind shear is pushing like so much like water and everything. But anyway, here is Invest 97E. Who knows where this guy is? He does look a little bad though. He doesn't seem to be making much circulation. But as we can see here, how do I even edit? I want to edit this. What do you mean install this? Edit. Why can I not edit it? I want to edit this page. Please. Edit. But anyways, as you can see here, there's some circulation right here. Where the giant black part is. And that's 40. Who knows what 40 it is, but it's brightness temperature. So yeah, you can see some wind going down. You can see some circulation right there. Who knows where this is? Let's actually just check the Central Pacific and see if it's actually what we're seeing at. Invest 98E. Now I gotta remember this kind of format here, because... Oh! So yes, just here, if we look at the Eastern Pacific, it's this. 80% chance of formation. So this is Invest 98E. As you can see, it's really blowing up with the severe thunderstorms and everything. It's really getting in that dark red. Oh, whoa. But yeah, wait. So, as you can see, we have some purple in the middle. That's like 80-ish. I don't know what that means though. So this is probably Invest. Oh yeah, here you go. This is definitely Invest 98E. Just chilling here. Could potentially, from what we're hearing, from what we're seeing here, he could probably just turn into, I'm just gonna duplicate. Yeah. So, what would the next name be on the list? So, Hernan. This could become Tropical Storm Hernan if it has the right development stages or anything. And then what would be no stop? What would be next? Izel, Izelli, Izella, Izelli, Izella. Izelli, Izella. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, could be Hernan. Could be Izella. Uh, Invest 97E doesn't really seem to have much circulation at all. But if we look here in Mr. 98, he's having some. Oh yeah. So let's just check. Let's just check everything around him first. See if he's in a good environment to probably turn into tropical depression. How? What's? Let's see. Where? No, wrong mouse. So how many tropical? Oh, I don't know. But yeah, he could just turn into a different. You know what I mean? I am really smart right now. This video is gonna get a lot of hate, I bet you. But yeah, there's a lot of storms. Oh, invest 91C. Oh, where are you located? Where are you located, sir? So I'm gonna have to Eastern Pacific. No, I want Eastern. No, Eastern Pacific. Eastern Atlantic. Yeah. Oh. All right. Wait. So he's a small one, but he now here it looks like he's dying. Mister Invest 91C. You could see he's really losing all that red, but he kind of gets it back and then loses it again. So, and then, but you can see like some circulation here, barely, which it's kind of suspicious, but I doubt. I'm trying to think. I doubt that he will turn into anything big. But now we have this giant tropical wave coming in, and it's like, whoa, whoa. You see how this could be the next storm, or it could be multiple. Now keep this in mind. If this tropical wave has the right characteristics and everything in its favor, this could become Nana or Omar together, like Laura and Marco. You kind of see where this is gonna. You just kind of see where this is going here. Yeah, but if you're in Louisiana and Texas, get prepared, cause yeah, today. Well, if you still are, if you're in Texas, like on the border, get ready for Marco, cause he really will just have like he'll be in tropical depression or like a very weak tropical storm state. But you should get ready for Laura, cause she is gonna come in with so much power. Why? Why? Are you starting to think of what I'm thinking here? I don't think you're thinking. Cause if you go into the Atlantic, Laura has all favorable things to turn into a major hurricane and hit Louisiana with great power and force. The lowest it will be when it hits is a Category 2. The highest, a low Category 5. That's what I've seen from other channels and everything. Because I've been tracking these two very well from their tropical wave state till now. I remember when Marco was in the Caribbean, right here, moving, and Laura was out here. Alright? So, I just be safe out there, please. Please. Just stay safe in all those states. Cause you got some stuff on your hands coming at you, man. Just be safe in Louisiana. That was an air conditioner. I'm scared. I don't think Laura likes me talking about her, so have a